A strange old year without much cheer. What would be eaten with a Christmas beer? Stuffing, turkey, of course the odd sprout. What else would you be without? Every child wants their must-have toy. But is there room for a Pak Choi called Roy?
Roy here, hiya.
He's only a Chinese cabbage.
I'm just a Chinese cabbage.
He comes with so little baggage.
I'm baggage free.
Stir-fried in a wok,
You want some? I'll give it ya.
alongside some stock.
Ooh,
Dinner would be quite the package.
quite the package, yeah.
Lonely on the shelves of Tesco he sat,
Buy me, oh.
wishing to pass over a welcome mat.
I'm all on my own.
Were people put off by his mischievous grin?
Hiya.
Why wasn't he in the basket with gin?
Pick me, pick me.
But you're never alone, or without your phone, with Tesco Mobile and Hometime. Bush and Ritchie, friendly not bitchy, on your radio, darling. It's showtime.
Merry Christmas, Hometime listeners and Bush and Ritchie. From me, Roy Pak Choi.